Yeah, so people, this holiday home here at Naishi in Nakuru is 90% complete. All right. So they placed some things inside, but yeah, I mean, construction is still ongoing, but it is 90% complete. All right. 90% complete. And yeah, so this is the lounge. Okay. It's really a huge lounge. Now, the entire home sits on 7,200 square feet. 7,200 square feet. Okay. And it is well lit, you know, all around. There are large windows, you know, with views, you know, of the surrounding. Okay. Just living up here all alone, an holiday home, no neighbors, you know, just you and family and friends and guests that you may invite over here. Okay. So it's a 7-bedroom home, and I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of each of the rooms. So we do have some, you know, some items inside here and there. But yeah, I thought it's important that at least you get to see even the plan of the house. Right, so that's the pantry right there. The kitchen again. We have a kitchenette downstairs. We have 2 more bedrooms downstairs. So this door goes outside. We have 2 more bedrooms downstairs. So let's check out the bedrooms. This is one of them. And I hope you're taking records. This is the first bedroom. You know, we have 7 bedrooms, I've told you. This is the first bedroom. And yeah, it has a balcony. You see? I mean, everywhere you go, there are views. Okay? With a balcony like that. So the home, okay, so this one is en suite. With the shower on that side. Here. And the toilet on the opposite. Good? Right. So that's our first bedroom, and the wardrobes right there. Okay. Let's check out the second bedroom. Actually, we went ahead to buy a TV. That's a 55-inch TV, but it looks small being in this home because of the expansiveness of the home. So this is the other bedroom. Right? And I told you, everywhere you turn, you know, you have views of the surrounding. You can see you have no neighbors. Okay? And yeah, even on that side. Folks, we are neighbors to Lake Nakuru Sopa Lodge. Okay? We are neighbors to Lake Nakuru Sopa Lodge. This one too is en suite. So this is bedroom number 2. And the wardrobes again, right there, you know, with a lot of storage. That's bedroom number 2. Let's go to bedroom number 3. Yeah, some sodas here. When we came for the site visit, we thought we could bring, you know, the staff, the construction workers here, something to drink. So we brought them sodas. Yeah, so this is another bedroom. Okay, it has 2 beds right there. And this one has a window that actually looks over to the deck. You see? And of course, there's another window here. And they have used large windows. Okay, so looking over to the parking. Right. Inside the room. Still, that's bedroom number 3. I hope you're taking records. And that's the common toilet. There's a common toilet. And it serves these 2 bedrooms. These are the only 2 bedrooms that are not en suite. So this one and the next one. So this is bedroom number 4. Yeah, this is bedroom number 4. I mean, look at the windows there. Look at the windows. I mean, the guys have done a great job to ensure that there is a lot of natural light coming into the rooms. Okay, so that's bedroom number 4. This is non-en-suite, and the former that I just left. Now, bedroom number 5 is en-suite. So, folks, I mean, like I told you, I mean, there are items here and there. So, hope you don't mind it. Okay, so I'm just doing this video for the purpose of you getting to see how the home inside, how the plan is. Okay, so this one is en-suite. This is bedroom number 5, right? This is bedroom number 5, eh? Yeah. Right. That's bedroom number 5. So this one is used for now like a store, but ideally everywhere there are things, you know, there are items everywhere. So that's it with the ground floor. We have 4 bedrooms on the ground floor, and we have 5 bedrooms on the ground floor. Sorry, I told you to take record, to keep a record. We have 5 bedrooms on the ground floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 2 more bedrooms downstairs. But going downstairs, I have to go outside to get to the other 2 bedrooms. But so before we go there, let's go upstairs and see what we have there. You can see again, I mean, there are windows all over. You know, there are windows all over. Okay, so there is a lot of light coming into this place. So hopefully once this place will be 100% done, I will come back here to do a proper tour when everything is just clean, neat. All right, but you know, we are looking for a buyer as early as now. Okay, so there are curtains there. Those are windows again, you know, above these curtains. Okay, so up here we have what we call a conference hall. Okay, you can see, I mean, it is very well lit. So we have a conference hall up here, folks. We have a conference hall. There are some chairs here and there. I told you this entire building sits on 7,200 square feet. That's the footprint, 7,200 square feet. Imagine how huge this thing is. 7 bedroom. So on this side, we have what we call a badminton table. Folks, you see? We have a badminton table here. You see the balls are there. And in future, there are more games that will come up here, including a pool table. Yeah. So I look forward to see what else will they have. But they have told me they are also going to add a pool table up here. So should you buy it, you can always add your own items as well. You know, to keep people engaged, to keep people entertained. You can even do a TV up here. You can watch games from here. You can do, you know, your meetings from here. You know, somebody was telling me if one can take it and then they convert it into, you know, an Airbnb, you know, an Airbnb, you know, totally out of town. So that is Lake Nakuru you're seeing there. That is Lake Nakuru. And actually from here you can even see town, but you know, it's raining. So it's actually raining in town. So we really can't see Nakuru city. But the lake now, you know, it's not raining in the lake anymore, and at least one can see to the, you know, to that end of the lake. And Sopa Lodge is a neighbor from here. That Kahil there, that is where we have Lake Nakuru Sopa Lodge. So you can even Google Lake Nakuru Sopa Lodge. Once you see Lake Nakuru Sopa Lodge, we are neighbors to Lake Nakuru Sopa Lodge. All right, so this home is a neighbor to Lake Nakuru Sopa Lodge. So they have this viewpoint up out here. Okay, it's a balcony, but from here, surely, it's like a viewpoint. Okay, it's like a viewpoint. Yeah, let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms downstairs, and then we wind up. Okay, all right. Remember, it is 5 acres. It's not a 50 by 100. It is not a kitchen garden. It is 5 acres. So I can pass here to go to the other bedrooms, or even I can pass the other side. But okay, let me just pass here. So folks, we are going to the other bedrooms. I told you they are downstairs. Right? So the home entirely, it's like a 3-level home with 2 bedrooms on the floor. Yeah, so I'm down here. The home is like a 3-level. I mean, there's a way they have designed it. It's like a 3-level, and so we have this garden here. You can still come to these bedrooms from this other side. Okay, finally the sun is coming back. Man, it has been raining since morning. Yeah? Good to see some sun. Okay, good to see a bit of the sun. It has been raining since morning. All right, so let's check out the other 2 bedrooms, and then we get out of here. Very well, so here I am. Folks, this place, I told you, it is unfinished, and some of the rooms is still where the workers, you know, they sleep there, okay? And like this one here. But I just thought, you know, let me just, you know, give you a sneak peek of how things are looking here. So we have this kitchenette there, and it is being shared by 2 bedrooms. So I don't know how you may use these 2 bedrooms, maybe guest bedrooms, you know. And yeah, is one where your guests can come here and they will cook from here. Maybe we'll meet with them up at the conference facility, as at the play area, you know. But yeah, somebody living down here, they can still cook for themselves and do their business from down here. So the bedrooms are all en suite. Again, these 2 bedrooms, they are all en suite. Just a sneak peek of the bathroom, okay? Just a sneak peek of the bathroom. And yeah, so the toilet is on that side, far away. So you are not going to experience a wet toilet, which is impressive for a home like this. 5 bedroom. Look again, you know, the windows on 2 sides. So there is a lot of natural light coming into the room here. Okay, and this is the other bedroom. So that is bedroom number 6, and this is bedroom number 7, and this one too is en suite. All right, so up to that point, you know, just pardon me for what, you know, for, you know, items here and there, you know, stuff, construction stuff, mattresses on the floor, etc. But I just wanted you to get, you know, a view, you know, the layout of this home. From outside, it looks wonderful. You know, it's on top of a hill. So from here, you see Lake Nakuru National Park. You see, you know, Lake Nakuru National Park at the distance. Lake Nakuru itself, you know, the lake. Wow. Okay. And you have no neighbors. So for those folks, you know, who like to live at a place like this, you have no neighbors, surely you should consider this place, right? This kind of homes, they don't come around every other day. So this one here, it's once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay. Yeah, very nice. So up to that point, I'm winding up my video right here, standing at this place. So up to that point, let me say, see you in the next one.